Everyone, Gio here,
Y Juan Carlos.
and guess where we are? We're coming to you from the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory Tour. So we booked ourselves a tour of this, so we're going to go and see everything there is to know about the world famous Louisville Slugger. And if you don't know what that is, it's a baseball bat. And so we're super excited to check this out. A little bit of nostalgia, a little bit of history. Yeah?
I've been here, not in the actual museum side, but like in front of here, I've been here many times.
Yeah, well, you've never done the tour. All these years he's been coming to Louisville, he never did the tour. But of course, baseball is not really a huge sport. Big truck went by. But anyway, of course, baseball is not a huge sport in Costa Rica.
No, and
So-
I'm not a huge sport fan anyway. so-
Right. But yeah, I grew up going to many baseball games, so this should be interesting. Let's do it.
Vamos.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jack. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
It's pretty cool. Originally being from New York, you know, this is the original, the Slugger. Babe Ruth's bat. You get to hold a piece of history here at this museum. Pretty cool. It's got some nice weight to it. So yeah, the Babe Ruth, it's an R43 model, 36 inches, 42.5 ounces. So it says up there.
Casey saw all the games, knew the
Good stuff.
players by their
Thanks for sharing.
first names, told the umpire he was wrong all along, good and strong, when the score was just 2-2.
It's my buddy Jackie Robinson. And since I just held his bat, I had to come say hi to Babe Ruth. You doing all right, Babe? You're watching that high fly all the way out there to center field, aren't you? Ken Griffith Jr., new school. We were just with old school, now we got new school. And of course, probably one of the best players that we have of modern day, old Derek Jeter over here. Nice little historic moment of Ted Williams kissing his bat. Yes, Joe DiMaggio was known for a lot more than just marrying Marilyn Monroe. It's nice to see they have a section here too from an unfortunate part of the history of this country when there was segregation going on everywhere, and they had all black teams, and these date all the way back, these photographs, to 1908. It's pretty cool. It's nice that they've cultivated that and shared this part of history so that we can remember and hopefully never repeat. So it's pretty cool that they discovered that the oldest black team was right here in Louisville back in 1908. They thought the photos were part of the White Sox, but when they discovered the letters L and U, did more research and then looked at a photograph with an old building in the background indicating the Sunnybrook Distillery, they knew for a fact it was actually Louisville, Kentucky at that point. Pretty cool. Don't you love history? I do.
More history.
Casey was baseball mad, had the fever and had it bad, just to root for the hometown crew every Sioux. Casey Blue. On a Saturday, her young beau called to see if she'd like to go to see a show, but Miss Kate said no. I'll tell you what you can do. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jack. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
We got our bats.
I agree.
Yeah, I have to agree.
All right, so our time here at the Louisville Slugger Museum has come to an end. What'd you think?
Yeah, it was fun, interesting.
Yeah, I found it interesting. Definitely, it's maybe a 1 hour, 1 hour and 20-minute time frame.
Yeah.
So the tour itself is great because you get to see how the bats are made, which I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, I love the smell of the wood.
Yeah, you definitely can smell the aroma of all the wood. You find out about where the bats are cultivated from, the trees along the border of Pennsylvania and New York, which is kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, a lot of history. It definitely a must stop if you're a baseball fan or you're just curious. It was a good time coming here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm stumbling over my words. Note to self: don't chew gum while you're doing vlogging. But anyway, yeah, if you do the tour, you also get a little mini Louisville Slugger back to take home with you, which we got, and you get a little slug to take home with you. So we got some little souvenirs. We picked up an ornament in the gift shop for a tree.
All good.
All good things here in Louisville. So we hope you enjoyed this quick little video of our tour here. They don't allow you to film in the actual factory, so what I did is just took photos and I pieced together a few photos to make little mini clips. That's my way of cheating because I know how to do that. But anyway, as always, happiness is a lifestyle. We appreciate you watching, and again, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, all that good stuff, right? Hit the like button.
Like the book. Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Until next time, everyone. Bye.
Take me out to the ball game, sung by Edward Meeker, Edison Record.